Akala ko kasi nung una, si BDO Installment Mastercard lang ang magandang credit card since you can convert the whole of your credit limit into cash. But then, I found a credit card na, sobra, extreme talaga ang kagandahan nito. There's something unique about this credit card at ito ang ipapakilala ko sa inyo today. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So I hope you're all doing good. Pasensya na po kayo kung naka-sunglass ako kasi the condition of my eyes are not really good. Sobrang na-exposed sa sunlight a while ago and if you remember sa mga nanonood ng vlogs ko even before, na-share ko sa inyo that I have a very extreme astigmatism. Yung sakit sa mata talaga na konting liwanag lang. Kaya nga, kung napapansin niyo sa mga videos natin, kung minsan hindi stable yung lighting because masakit sa mata ang ring light sa akin. Kaya ang ginagawa ko is to open the window para magkaroon ng liwanag so I can do this video at sa awa ng Diyos, nasusurvive naman natin. So I hope you get along with me and sana maging heartfelt pa rin ang pagtanggap ninyo sa video natin for today kahit hindi nyo ako nakikita sa mata. Sabi ko, hindi naman yung mata ko ang magsasalita kundi yung mga bibig, yung bibig ko. So, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good and we have a very, very, very exciting topic. Maganda yung marami kang nadi-discover, maganda yung marami kang nalalaman, and from these things, you learn a lot that give you a good idea in your decision making. Kaya, kung interesado kayo sa credit card na ipapakilala ko sa inyo for today, stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, ako ay masaya for the reason na marami akong nasagot na comments dito sa YouTube channel natin, and I hope that those comments or those answers that came from me are relevant sa inyo, that somehow may mapupulot kayo na anything that will add up to your knowledge or your thoughts in applying for a credit card or a loan, yung ganyan. Kaya masaya ako kasi alam ko marami akong nasagot na comments. And ito lang po ang pakiusap ko, no? If you want to ask me something or if you're trying to put a comment under such a video, huwag niyong limitahan yung number of words. I mean to say, like, it doesn't matter kung gaano kahaba yung explanation mo or yung query mo. Basta ang importante, maliwanag po sa akin. Kasi kung minsan, kung hindi maliwanag yung question, baka iba rin yung maisagot ko. So, take your time. Just type and type para maging mas maliwanag yung pagbasa ko at pag-intindi sa thought ng mga comments ninyo. Ayan. So, importante po yon kasi baka mali yung maisagot ko kasi iba rin yung takbo ng query mo. So, kailangan take your time. Just type and type. It doesn't matter how long. Basta importante, maliwanag sa akin. So, yun lang ang pakiusap ko sa inyo at ang request ko. Okay, so ang video na to ay hango sa isang comment ng ating subscriber na si Frolan Begino 889. So, Frolan, shout out sa'yo. At ang sabi ni Frolan, pa-review po sa PS Bank Flexi Card. Ayun, ano ba ang credit card na to? Anong meron dito sa PS Bank Flexi Card? Okay, alam niyo ba, when I was talking with the marketing department ng PS Bank, I learned a lot more and more about the PS Bank Flexi Card. And hindi siya complicated. Alam mo yung ang daling intindihin at ang daling alamin kung anong meron sa FlexiCard na to. And I was amazed when I learned about it. Sabi ko, ay, okay si BDO Installment Mastercard, pero okay din ito. So parang feeling ko, at least we have a choice. Kung hindi ka i-approve ni BDO for a credit card with them, pwedeng ma-approve ka with PS Bank. That idea, di ba? So at least may choice tayo. At lalong-lalo na kung ang focus mo talaga of having a credit card is more on credit limit conversion or more on cash advance. So this credit card is the best for you because it has a very, very good design and features that I was really amazed with and amazed of when I was speaking with the marketing department ng PS Bank. So I'm now ready to share with you kung anong nalaman ko sa FlexiCard na ito. Unang-una, gusto ko munang ipakita sa inyo ang appearance ng credit card. Lalakihan ko siya ha. Yan ang itsura ng PS Bank FlexiCard. Di ba para sa akin, para siyang napaka-attractive, na napaka-formal, naghalo yung formality and medyo pagkakikay ng konti. So sa mga girls, gustong-gusto, alam ko gustong-gusto nila ang itsura ng PS Bank FlexiCard. Kaya ako saludo sa mga marketing department because sometimes they are the ones who designs attractive materials, siguro including the designs of the credit cards or debit cards para ma-attract yung mga clients nila. Okay, so let us start talking about the PS Bank FlexiCard. Sa pangalan pa lang, kaya siguro FlexiCard kasi flexible. Kumbaga, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa card na to. And I'm really ready to share it with you. So, ang PS Bank FlexiCard is a kind of a card that you can use to access the non-collateral personal loan ng PS Bank. So, meaning to say, through this FlexiCard, pwede kang mag-avail ng personal loan with PS Bank na walang collateral. Okay, so sasagutin ko na, magkano ang annual fee? Unahin na natin. Magkano ang annual fee ng PS Bank FlexiCard? Ang annual fee nito is 1,500 pesos. Okay, so ano ang pwedeng gawin with the PS Bank FlexiCard? Two things. Okay, so pwede kang mag-cash advance. Ang interest ng cash advance nila is 2.5% per month. So ang kagandahan dito sa cash advance ng PS FlexiCard is that pwede mong ulitin habang may available credit limit ka pa. So pwede mo siyang i-cash advance kahit you did it today, you can do it again tomorrow, you can do it again the other day. Hindi katulad ng mga regular credit card from other banks na kung magkano lang yung dinesign ni banko sa'yo na percentage na pwede mong i-cash advance, yun lang ang pwede mong withdraw sa ATM. Pero dito sa PS Bank FlexiCard, you can avail of even the 100% of your credit limit. Ang importante lang i-take note natin is yung kanyang interest na 2.5%. At ano naman ang pangalawang pwedeng gawin kay PS Bank FlexiCard? The second thing na pwede natin gawin dito is that we can also have a cash installment. At ang cash installment nila ay mas mababang interest. It's 1.75%. Yun naman ang maganda dito. So, ang PS Bank FlexiCard ay may fixed term at revolving ang credit line mo, as what I've said a while ago, pwedeng ulit-ulitin. Basta available. Pwede kang mag-loan today, mag-loan the other day, mag-loan next month. Basta may available credit limit ka pa. Ganon din yung cash advance. Pwede kang mag-cash advance today, even tomorrow and the other day. Basta available yung credit limit. So yun ang maganda dito sa PS Bank FlexiCard. And isa pa na I was impressed with is yung kanyang annual fee, di ba? Bigyan ko lang ng emphasis kasi usually sa mga ganitong credit card na napakaganda talaga ng feature na pwede kang mag-cash advance, usually mataas ang kanilang annual fee. Pero dito sa PS Bank FlexiCard, 1,500 pesos, affordable naman siya. Compare mo doon sa pwede mong ma-avail na benefits like you can withdraw any time of the day. So kapag may emergency ka, pwede kang mag-cash advance na hindi mo iisipin na withdraw ko na yung 30% na requirement ni bangko sa akin na cash advance o kaya 40% or 50% na require ni bangko sa akin na pwede kong i-cash advance. So, hindi na ako pwedeng mag-cash advance. Wala tayong ganon dito sa PS Bank FlexiCard because revolving siya. As long as may available credit limit ka pa, pwede mo siyang i-cash advance o pwede mo siyang applyan as installment. Okay, katulad nung ibang mga queries ninyo tungkol sa BDO Installment Mastercard, kung pwede si BDO Installment Mastercard na gamitin like a regular credit card na pwede mong gamitin pang purchase if you wanna do or if you wanna eat in the restaurants, pwede bang gamitin? Yes, you may. At ganun din itong si PS Bank FlexiCard. So it can be used like a regular credit card na pwedeng pang shopping or pag-purchase ng items or gadgets, and you can also avail of installments. What important is you have to make sure na yung credit card mo affiliated kay merchant para you can avail of the installment with 0% interest. So, palaging magtatanong, as the merchant, pwede ko bang i-purchase ito at babayaran ko in installment using my credit card na walang interest? So, yun dapat ang unang question. Ako yun ang tinatanong ko palagi. Kapag medyo magpo-purchase ako ng medyo malaki or medyo expensive, so ang una kong tinatanong kung okay siyang i-purchase and then installment and then with 0% interest. At kapag sabi ni merchant, yes ma'am, pag yes na yes, i-go mo na yan. Kasi at least, magaan kasi installment mo siya babayaran and at the same time, walang interest. So yun dapat ang palagi nating tatanungin kay merchant. Okay? Don't forget that. So, ang PS Bank FlexiCard talaga, nare-realize ko, mas pang-emergency siya kaysa kay BDO Installment Mastercard. Okay, now, if you are interested to apply for this PS Bank FlexiCard, go to their website, www.psbank.com.ph. Yan, I'm going to flash it here. Ayan. And once we get to their website, ipindot natin ang loans. At pag napindot mo ang loans, hanapin mo lamang si Flexi Personal Loan with Prime Rebate. So once you get there, you tap apply now para makapag-apply. So, madali naman nang sabayan yung application dyan kasi itatanong lang naman yung mga personal information about you, trabaho mo, ikaw ba ay employed, self-employed, yung mga personal information about you, and it will be very easy for you to follow. Actually, hindi ako nahirapan. After you have filled out lahat ng mga tinatanong na query or questions or information sa ng PS Bank, isubmit mo lang yan. So, dun sa mga nagpaplanong mag-apply ng credit card, isipin nyo kung anong gusto nyong gawin sa inyong mga credit card. Kung ano talaga yung need ninyo, kung bakit kayo mag-apply for a credit card. Is it more of a cash advance or cash installments? Or do you want your credit card to be used in purchasing groceries, items, gadget, yung mga ganyan? So, it is your decision. So, pag-isipan mo, kung more on cash installments or more on cash advance ang pangangailangan mo, so you may apply for this kind of credit card. Okay, so there you go. Natapos na po tayo. Maraming salamat. And yan, if you have other queries about this, you may drop your comments at the comment section. Sabi ko kanina, don't limit your number of words. Okay lang, kahit medyo mahaba. Basta maliwanag at maintindihan ko. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng videos natin, mga nag-subscribe lately. Thank you so much. At sana po makapag-subscribe din yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will always be notified kapag may mga videos tayo na i-upload ulit in the future. Muli, maraming salamat. And always remember, kahit ano pa yan, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone! Promise ko, hindi na ako naka-sunglasses next time. Bye!